But good morning, Lauren. Lauren, what are we doing? What are all the things?
We're gonna go eat.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat. It is breakfast time, but it is also cruise day because we are boarding the Viking ship today. But honestly, we have so many things that are happening today. So we gotta pack up and leave that hotel, drop off our stuff at Viking. First, we gotta grab breakfast, but we're also going to a soccer match today. Ajax is playing. I can't pronounce the other team they're playing, but they're playing. It's the women's team. Yeah. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the... I guess this is gonna be like our busiest embarkation day we've ever had. It's gonna be fun. Okay, so we got our breakfasts. We went to this little bakery right here, which is called the Bakkers van OOst.
I don't know.
But it's a cute little bakery. It's literally right next to our hotel. We got croissants. We got muffins. Yeah, they're warm. This is a cute little bakery, and we got this little sausage roll. Well, we're excited. We're gonna go back to our hotel because it's right here. Enjoy it, pack up, and then a next video you see will be us getting on the ship. It's gonna be fun. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
And if not, we're gonna open the lunch in 15 minutes, 11:30. You can have a lunch and after that.
Nice. Oh man. Hello.
你现在就搞上了，汤圆，现在就搞完了。
Not the cheap, as you understand.
This is our first river cruise, so I'm excited.
That's nice. You will love these 7 days with us.
Oh, man.
Alright, so right here.
And we're on board, honey.
The check-in area.
Oh.
Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so we're officially on the ship. Lauren, that was like the most interesting like check-in because like I'm used to with like big ship cruising, you go through the whole terminal, you get like checked and all this stuff.
And they're like, oh no, well, come on, here we go.
Right? Like we literally parked. Well, I'm pointing right there, but there's another ship there.
That's another ship. This is not how wide the boat is. That's another one.
Yeah, we literally parked there, and then they're like, okay, we're gonna walk through this ship to get on. I know for people who do river cruising all the time, this is a normal thing, but it was like just like a check-in at like a normal hotel. But we are on the top deck. Walking path. Wow, 1 mile equals 12 laps, honey, up here. This thing is literally, that is 2 different ships, guys. But we are exploring, but welcome to the Viking Tialfi. Is that how he said it? Viking Tialfi. This is the Viking Odin, but we are at the Viking Tialfi. Okay, Lauren. First meal on Viking. What do we get?
The buffet.
Well, and it's not like, okay, again, you're gonna hear us say this a lot. We're used to the big ship cruising. This is our, oh, there is bread there. We're used to big ship cruising where there's just food everywhere all the time, everything.
I think this will be good because we're going to get so much walking done and we are not going to eat 10 pounds of food every day.
Exactly. Okay, Lauren. So, oh, where is the light? Oh, we gotta put the key in. But we got back to the ship. We have our safety drill in like 2 minutes, but quick room tour. Actually, this is a really nice shower. That's a really nice, like, that's a lot of space. And like, it's a sliding door, though, for the bathroom itself.
Oh man, honey.
What?
There's a shampoo and a conditioner.
It's the little things.
Oh my God.
We did not have that at our hotel we were just at. Okay, bed. Okay, it feels soft. But this is our window, you guys. And yes, you can see that is the the Viking Odin.
If I turn off the light, can you see into the other person's
I don't know.
room?
Let's see. Yeah, you can kind. Well, you can't really see into the room, but you can see the window now.
Oh.
But yeah, so we got here. They did a whole briefing today on like introducing us to all their stuff. Oh, here's the thing. What is this?
It's water.
Oh, there's our port things because they mentioned this in the thing, like the chat and headphones. And we are new to Viking. We are new to river cruising. This is going to be a very fun experience. We had a port talk up in the lounge area. He also told us how to say the name of the ship, which I thought it was always Tialfi, but it was Tialfi. We'll get the pronunciation correct later. But we're going to do our safety drill. They told us to find our life jackets, which he said are under the bed. So we will find them. We're going to go to the safety drill, and then we're going to go to dinner. See you guys soon. Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, so Lauren, what'd you get?
White bean soup.
I got a bitter ball. You excited?
I'll steal your phone. You go right ahead.
Oh, it's a little wet up here. But, Lauren, this is our first embarkation day, honey. Where...
Careful, there's steps.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this comes down.
Oh, this does come down.
That makes sense, kind of.
Yeah, but this is our first embarkation day where we have not moved yet. And we might be asleep when we move. But how was dinner?
So delicious.
That was a really, really good dinner. But tomorrow we're going to be in Kinderdijk. We're going to see some windmills. But on that note, oh, that is a really nice yacht. But on that note, you guys, we will see you guys tomorrow as we embark on a fun adventure in Kinderdijk. Have a good one.
Away, away, nukuimua. And when it's time to find home, we know the way.